we are at the NJHPDI Implant Prosthodontics Course. Can you start off by telling us your name, where you're from, and where you currently practice?
Hi, my name is Youssef. I'm originally from Egypt, and I currently practice in Grand Cayman and the Cayman Islands.
Great. And what's your overall opinion of this course?
I think it's a great course. It's designed for beginners or advanced implantologists. I think it's designed for everybody at every level. Dr. Panjali is a great instructor. He really spends his time with every clinician. So yeah, overall the experience is great.
Awesome. And what was your favorite part of the course?
My favorite part is probably the hands-on portion. I think it's really good to get a lot of the information at the beginning of the course and then apply it on the hands-on portion. And that way we can apply those skills.
Awesome. And who would you recommend this course to?
As I said, it's designed for every clinician at multiple levels. So I'm currently a beginner at my implant journey. So I think it's good for beginners, advanced. So pretty much anyone who really wants to learn about implants.
Great, thank you so much. Here we are at NJHPDI at the Implant Prosthodontics Course. Can you start us off by telling us your name and where you currently practice?
My name is Juan Lopez. I'm a dentist in Fulton, New York.
Great, and what's your overall opinion of this course?
So far it's great. It's a great review, or for a first timer, it's going to help them start building that foundation of the prosthodontic principles of implant placement and implant restoration.
Awesome. And what was your favorite part of the course?
So far, I think it's the thoroughness of the concepts being presented. He has great slides. He's very clear when he speaks. I think the facility is wonderful as well, which is very comfortable when you're seating and everything is well placed and well planned. I think it's a great advantage when you're trying to learn concepts or even review some concepts.
Great. And who would you recommend this course to?
Everybody. I think anybody that is a general practitioner, regardless if they're placing or just restoring implants, I think this is a course that is critical for their clinical practice.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right.
Here we are at NJHPDI at the Implant Prosthodontics Course. Can you start off by telling us your name, where you're from, and where you currently practice?
Hi, my name is Omer. I'm originally from Sudan, and I currently practice in Boston and New Hampshire.
Great. And what's your overall opinion of this course?
I thought it was great, very valuable. Somebody who just recently graduated, I had a limited experience on implants, and Dr. Panjali was very skilled and very easy to explain details, and we were able to answer and ask as many questions as we can. So I really appreciated that, and I learned so much.
Awesome. And what was your favorite part of the course?
My favorite part of the course was being able to understand things from a theological base and then kind of apply it clinically. I currently went on the live course and I was able to kind of apply that, and everything just kind of made a lot of sense.
Awesome. And who would you recommend this course to?
I'd recommend it for people who are recent graduates. I know you want a lot of the clinical experience, but Dr. Panjali does a really great way of explaining things, very detailed and very easy, and it kind of helps, especially those who are just recently graduated and have the anticipation to place implants in the future.
Awesome. Thank you so much.